Pegg project, new knowledge of the past. Computer technology seen throughout history. Egyptian glyphs. A protruding ledge with a disc-shaped saddle in the side of the base box, along with two associated data disks. These depictions are similar to an early 1990s desktop computer, with the two disks being identified from 1995 and 1993. These two compact disks are described on the Papyrus of Ani. Earlier in Mesopotamia, the gods were fighting over the same two tablets. In Egypt, two tablets of testimony were named. These turned up in America as artifacts, named the same, and were associated with plates. An 1829 picture shows witnesses holding a plastic CD jewel case, which was before plastic was invented. 300 years earlier, Nostradamus drew pictures of them that the Queen of France called magic circles and the monitor a magic mirror. Nostradamus placed the discs on a saddle in the air. Back to ancient Egypt. They worshipped the sun disk, being this CD-ROM, with the 14 hand rods representing using the mouse in hand 14 times to access 14 static main pages of that disk. An earlier Hindu story added the 7 Egyptian videos and explained that this universe has 21 zones. Also spawned from seeing pictures from these two discs were the Egyptian god stories and the Atlantis legend that was originally told by an Egyptian priest. All these accounts of pictures from the same two data disks, plus a 1990s computer and a jewel case being depicted, is proof of time travel back in the past. Often appearing from a bright light and perceived to be an angel, a priest or wise man, a human time traveller showed the contents of these data disks to certain people, who sometimes not only report their encounter with this messenger in their personal chronicles, but go on to describe specific imagery and sometimes future events and the names of future people. Their various detailed descriptions of certain imagery and events, sometimes known as dreams and visions, or prophecies of the future, have been confirmed as being about pictures, events, and other historical data contained within the two identified modern data disks. Our report summarises over 30 similar ancient accounts, giving links to their specific comprehensive case study reports and an online 10-case study workshop. DOOPArt is an acronym for Documented Out of Place Artifact, which specifically refers to similar early 1990s computer technology being depicted and described throughout history. Confirm all this for yourself. The Pegg Project, new knowledge of the past.